Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Instagram DM glitch. So let's get started. So what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is open up your Play Store and then check if you have an update for your Instagram. So simply open up Play Store and in search bar search for Instagram. After searching for that, now you just have to check if you have an update. So if you do have an update, what you can do is just simply update your Instagram and that will fix your problem. But if that does not fix your problem, then what you can do is follow the other step. So now what you have to do is just simply tap and hold on to your Instagram application, and then you will find this eye icon, which is app info. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you can simply tap on storage and cache and then clear your cache. And after clearing your cache, you will fix your problem. It will clear any issues or bugs that you are facing with your Instagram. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and clear your cache, and that should fix your problem. Or what you can do is just simply change your account to a personal account. And from here, simply tap on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right. Then tap on the three bar icon, which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, scroll down and you should find the option which is account type and tools. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now you have to change your account to personal account. So now if you find this option which is switch to professional account, that means your account is already in personal account. But if you don't find this option, then that means your account is not in personal account and you just have to change it to personal account, and that will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Instagram DM glitch. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.